I want to talk to you about personal credit cards for bad credit from credit unions. So here's a roundup I want you to pay attention to. First, you have the Visa Platinum card from Vision Financial Federal Credit Union. And this is actually a wonderful credit card for bad credit from a credit union because this Visa Platinum is a plain vanilla credit card that charges an APR of 18% variable. Think about it. And the minimum FICO score that they want is actually a 500. And the cool thing is that when they charge you 18%, but you get in return 1% cashback on all purchases. Plus, the card actually has no annual or balance transfer fees. It's also contactless and compatible with mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. So that's really great to start with. And as for benefits, you'll get zero liability and purchase protection, roadside assistance, and more. Now, how do you qualify for this Visa Platinum card from Vision Financial Federal Credit Union? You must live, work, or worship in specific areas in New York, Pennsylvania, or New Jersey. And membership is also available to anyone who works for an employer partnered with a credit union. Also, they have possibilities for you to apply for membership actually online. The second personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union is Visa Platinum card from People's Trust FCU. And this financial co-op also offers a basic low-rate credit card, its own Visa Platinum card. And the APR on the co-op's Visa Platinum card starts at 7% to 17% variable, depending on your credit score. And in terms of the lowest FICO score they will accept, they will accept 425. Unfortunately, this card actually has no rewards program, and but it does come with a no annual fee and a 25-day interest-free grace period. And to actually qualify, this credit union is open to everybody. So to qualify for membership, open a membership savings account and deposit at least $5, and you are good to go. So overall, fantastic. So the first two personal credit cards for bad credit from a credit union, you have number one, Visa Platinum card from Vision Financial Federal Credit Union. Number two, Visa Platinum card from People's Trust FCU. Next, you have the third one is a Visa Platinum card from Unify Financial Credit Union. And Unify is a fantastic credit union that's open to anybody, by the way. And this card, you can also count on this card, especially when it comes to low APR. And so this card has a low APR. This credit union's Visa Platinum card charges a fixed rate APR of 9.49%. Think about it. 9.49%, especially when you have bad credit. Now, if you have bad credit, they're not going to actually charge you 9%. They'll probably charge you 12% or 13%. Either way, it's still worth it. And the minimum credit score they want you to have is 400. And this card charges no annual fee, and its credit limit goes up to $50,000. This is really cool. If your credit score cannot qualify for the Visa Platinum, you should consider the credit union's other cards like the Visa Gold, fixed APR of 9.24%, or the Visa Classic, fixed APR of 9.49%. So you have possibilities here. How do you qualify? You must work or live in qualified areas, be referred by another member, or donate to become a member of the Surf Rider Foundation or Friends of Hops. Next, you have Visa Signature Card from Signature Financial Credit Union. So if you're looking for a flat rate cashback card, especially if you have bad credit, if so, Signature Federal Credit Union offers a credit card with a flat 2% cashback or 2x points on everything you buy. This is really cool. And the APR starts at 8.70%, and it comes with no annual balance transfers, cash advance, or foreign transaction fees. They are asking you to have a minimum FICO score of 500 to qualify for this card. And like other Visa Signature cards, this credit union version provides benefits like roadside dispatch. That's really cool. You have trip delay reimbursement and also access to a Visa Signature concierge. So you are really well covered here. And how do you qualify? Well, you have to be related to a current member, work for an employer on a credit union's specific list, or join through the American Consumer Council So a lot of folks actually go through the ACC to actually join this credit union. Fantastic. If you're looking for the best personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union, I want you to consider My Perks Rewards card from My Connecta Credit Union. And this is a good card for gas and grocery purchases. And this card actually offers 3% cashback up to $6,000, 2% cashback on groceries up to $6,000, and 1% cashback on everything else. There is no annual fee, and its regular APR is 9.99% to 18% variable. In addition, the card gives you up to 20% annual bonus for your loyalty on your anniversary. So that's really cool. And actually, you got to have a FICO score of 300 to actually qualify for this card. And to help you with any credit debt that you may have, this card actually had a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 18 months, as long as you do the balance transfer within 90 days of opening your account. So how do you qualify for this card? You can qualify by living, working, or studying in select areas, or if you are related to a current Connecta member. And you may also join through your employer, select employers only, or join the Innovation Society. Connecta will cover your $10 membership fee. You also have the Odyssey Rewards World Elite MasterCard from First Tech. And if you are, you got to have a FICO score of 500 minimum to qualify for this card. And one of the most premium rewards cards into this conversation, this is a red card because it offers quite generous rewards and the lowest minimum APR we have actually seen. And it really offers 2x points on dining, including takeout and delivery. So that's really cool. As well as 30,000 bonus points if you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. And as a World Elite MasterCard, it also offers some perks like purchase assurance and a $5 credit every month that you actually that you rideshare with Lyft at least 3 times. So that's really cool because it really helps you a lot in certain activities. Unlike other rewards cards, this one's APR is as low as 6.99% to 18%. So 6.99 to 18% variable, and you will pay actually. The thing is, you will pay is a $75 annual fee waived for the first year. How do you qualify for this card, by the way? Basically, to become a member, you must have a relative who's already a First Tech member, work for a partner of the credit union or the state of Oregon. You also qualify if you work or live in Lane County, Oregon. If not, you may join if you are a member of the Computer History Museum or the Financial Fitness Association. If you're thinking about the best personal credit cards for bad credit from a credit union, I want you to think about Visa Signature Rewards credit card from CCU. And this card is actually it's really fantastic because it allows you to have all kinds of benefits. So this is a solid everyday spending card. And the Consumers Credit Union, by the way, CCU stands for Consumers Credit Union. And by the way, they will accept the FICO score of 475 minimum, 475. So this card offers 3x points on grocery and convenience stores up to $6,000 per year. So $6,000. Remember that. You have 2x points on gas and 1x point on all other purchases. And for the first 12 months, this credit union card has a 0% intro APR on new purchases and balance transfers. Then the regular APR will kick in, and the regular APR is anywhere from 9% to 20%. So you have flexibility. The delta is pretty decent when you think about it. And this is still low compared to most rewards credit card, especially if you are looking for a personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union. How do you qualify? Very simple. CCU is open to everybody. I mean, you don't have to live in a certain geography. You don't have to be related to somebody from the from the credit union, somebody who works from the credit union. So there is no geography, biography, or profession. Like you don't have to work for a specific employer. Okay, so the flexibility is there. So we really love that. So how do you qualify? You only need to pay a one-time $5 membership fee to the Consumers Cooperative Association. So CCA. Now this is not reimbursed though. So this credit union does not reimburse you for this sort of membership fee. You have to pay for it. Another personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union is actually the Cash Rewards Visa Signature credit card from Affinity Federal Credit Union. And this is really good. We love this credit union a lot. Affinity Federal Credit Union, and bookworms and families will love this unusual cashback card, and also a personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union, and it earns quite high rewards. You have a 5% cashback on bookstores and Amazon, up to $3,500 a month, and 2% cashback at supermarkets, restaurants, and gas stations. It also earns 2% cashback on watch, listen, and write services like Netflix, Spotify, and Uber, plus 1% on all other purchases. So you can see that the spending requirements for this cards are pretty specific. In addition, what we love about this card is that, first of all, the card wants you to have a minimum of 500 to qualify, so 450 to 500 to qualify. And also the Cash Rewards Visa Signature from Affinity Federal Credit Union offers a generous 200 cash bonus if you charge $3,000 within the first 90 days. And all these benefits are available to you at no fee, no annual fee. And plus, the regular APR is relatively low at 12.75% to 15.75% variable. And in terms of qualification, basically, you actually may join if you are also a part of more than 2,000 business associations and clubs they partner with. And if not, you may donate $5 to the New Jersey Coalition for Financial Education or the Connecticut Jumpstart Coalition. So you have a lot of possibilities. And by the way, you don't need to live in Jersey. You don't need to live in Connecticut to actually qualify for this card. Just make the $5 donation and you're in. Okay, very, very simple, pretty straightforward. If you want to have a personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union, I want to introduce you to the Gold Premier MasterCard credit card from GTE Financial. This card is really fantastic. Now, this credit union credit card issued by GTE Financial easily competes with the most popular rewards cards on the market because of its lavish rewards on everyday purchases, especially for borrowers with bad credit. So the minimum that you have to qualify for this credit card is 425. That's the FICO. And on this card, you actually will get 3x points on gas, travel, and restaurants, 2x points at grocery stores and home improvement stores, and 1x point on all other purchases. So in terms of flexibility, that's really good because it really helps not only single people, but also family like cardholders with families. Okay, and the card also provides a decent 10,000 point sign-up bonus if you charge $3,000 within the first 3 months. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. However, its APR is on the higher end of our investigation because the APR starts at about 12.99% variable, though it's still lower than many other cards with similar rewards. And so this is what it is. What we love about the card is that this card is really flexible. So if you are looking for a personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union, you will love the fact that GTE Financial actually has solved the equation for you by giving this card. And we love the fact that they are constantly sort of beefing up constantly the benefits that come with this card. So you have the possibility to get things done faster. How do you qualify for the card? So other than your family, workplace, and location, you can be eligible for GTE Financial by joining its credit union Savers Club. So they call it CU Savers Club. So if you join this club, you are automatically sort of onboarded as a GTE Financial credit union member. The last card I want to share with you when it comes to personal credit card, bad credit from a credit union is Platinum MasterCard from Teachers Federal Credit Union, so TFCU. And this Platinum MasterCard from TFCU doesn't have a rewards program, but it does offer a low interest APR for 6 billing cycles at 690% on balance transfers. And so they will actually accept you if you have a FICO score of 300. So they actually go all the way to 300. And so you have balance transfers, the APR for balance transfers for 6 months, 6.90%. After that, the APR will rise to 9.15% to 17.90% variable, which is still quite low, depending on your credit worthiness. Now, if you have a bad credit, you probably will get something around 13 to 14%. And to actually qualify for this credit union, it seems you only qualify if you live, work, or worship in El Paso County in Texas. However, they actually have opened up the membership lately to actually make sure that everybody qualifies. If you live in this country, you'll qualify. So if you have any questions, just contact Teachers Federal Credit Union for them to actually break it down for you. So the bottom line here is that if you have a bad credit and you're looking for a low interest card but don't want to sacrifice other benefits like travel insurance or purchase protection, the top 10 cards that I just shared with you, you can actually find one of them that can really help you out. Okay. And so you are able to actually get a no annual fee card. You're able to earn a certain number of X points on all purchases. And you can get 0% intro APR on balance transfers for maybe 6 to 9 months, in some cases 12 months. And after that, the APR stays fixed between 5% to 20%, depending on your credit worthiness. And you also can actually get great perks such as trip cancellation or interruption insurance, for instance. You can have purchase protection and baggage insurance. That's really good. And what's even better here is that you are able to actually qualify no matter your geography, your biography, or your profession. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. So this were the top 10 personal credit card for bad credit from a credit union. And we will continue updating this list to make sure that we are as inclusive as possible. So what's the bottom line here? In today's conversation, I'll share with you our personal credit cards for bad credit from a credit union. I'll give you the roundup and now the bottom line. So the roundup, you have a Visa Platinum from Vision Financial Federal Credit Union, Visa Platinum from People's Trust FCU, Visa Platinum from Unify FCU, Visa Signature Card from Signature Federal Credit Union, My Perks Rewards Card from Connecta Credit Union, the Odyssey Rewards World Elite MasterCard from this First Tech for sure, Visa Signature Rewards Card from CCU, Cash Rewards Visa Signature from Affinity. You have Go Premier from GTE Financial and Platinum MasterCard from TFCU. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.